What somebody said to me,
kigomano-ini kiria kiharirio guku bururi-ini gigikuruhania honge cia wendia wa share kuuma mabururi ngurani gitaro-ini kia Afrika anyiti itemi matiganite ni magathĩrĩirie bururi wa Kenya ni undu wa uthii wa na mbere thuguri-ini ino. Akiarĩria kigomano kiu, mwandĩki mũkaru wa ministry ya kigina Kameme ni ataririe ati hari miaka 20 hitukite kigina kiria kiumanite na wendia wa share ni gikurite nginyagia ciringi tiririoni 3.4 undu uria uteithĩrĩirie gukura kwa utonga wa bururi.
Local capital market provide access to local currency finance. They enable small and medium enterprises to borrow in their own currencies, thereby protecting them from foreign exchange risk. They also provide affordable long-term finance for infrastructure and housing, sectors that underpin economic growth and sustainable development.
Oho, niongereire kuga thirikari ya Kenya ni ireka uria ingihota niguo gutigirira wendia uyu ni wagacira hatari kiremithia o giothe.
However, we need to further strengthen capital markets and indeed financial markets resilience by putting in place measures aimed at reducing vulnerability to severe shocks and strengthen the capacity to absorb and overcome such shocks. Further reforms should aim at promoting greater diversification of financing instruments with particular focus on startups and SMEs.
Nake murugamiriri munene wa Ruhonge Mbataru ni atariirie wirutiri wao hari gutigirira mitaratara ya uguri wa share ni yagiririo niguo ikahota gukinyira nginyagia mukenya wa ngathi ya thi.
What we're focusing on in the implementation of that master plan is to make sure that the Kenyan capital markets can be sufficiently linked with the regional and international markets to make sure that we can be an effective conduit for fund flows into those markets and to make sure that we can start talking about East Africa as an asset class.
Kigomano-ini kiu, fegi ya thi ni ikaniriire ngirimiti ya uteithio wa kibeca na gitaro kia Afrika kuri kuheana ngombo ya muigana wa ciringi bilioni 20 iria iguteithĩrĩria kwagĩrithia thuguri ino. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mbataru wa Mwangi.